Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. I'm so glad you're here. Today's spotlight letter is R. R is for rabbits. Rabbits are soft, bouncy animals that love to hop and nibble on carrots. Did you know? Rabbits have long ears that help them hear even the tiniest sounds. Is for rabbits. R is for robot. Robots are cool machines that can move, talk, and even help us do our chores. Did you know? Some robots are programmed to dance or play games, making them super fun. R is for rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses are big, strong animals with a cool horn on their nose. Did you know? Their thick skin protects them, and even though they look tough, they mostly enjoy munching on plants. R is for raincoat and rain boots. Raincoats and rain boots keep you dry and cozy on rainy days. Did you know? They come in lots of bright colors and patterns, making rainy days extra fun for jumping in puddles. R is for rectangle. A rectangle is a shape with 4 sides, 2 long and 2 short. Did you know? Many windows, doors, and even some books are shaped like rectangles. What is your favorite R word? Let's practice tracing the uppercase letter R. First, place your finger on the number 1 at the top left and draw a straight vertical line all the way down. This line is the backbone of your R. Now place your finger on the number 2 at the top of the vertical line, draw a curved line that goes out to the right and then curve back in toward the middle of the vertical line. This forms the round part of the R. Finally, place your finger on the number 3 from the middle of the vertical line, draw a diagonal line slanting downward to the right. This line creates the leg of your R. Hooray! You did it! You can pause the video and do it again and again. Parents use this guide to help your child write the uppercase R with pencil and paper. Happy writing! See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.